Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this video. First and foremost, a huge congratulations to you for completing the massive open online course on forest and transparency under the Paris Agreement. Secondly, I want to thank all of you and your organizations for the interest you've demonstrated by joining this course and for your significant commitment over the past 2 weeks. But as you know, all good things must come to an end, and this is true as well for this course. But I'm confident that for you, this will be the beginning of a new effort, the effort to integrate, adapt, and use the knowledge that you've acquired in your everyday work. You were invited to this course because we firmly believe that you can act as an influencer and enhance the forestry sector's contribution to combat climate change. Climate change, as you know, is a global emergency which is already having profound effects on people's lives and on our planet's biodiversity. And we must step up actions to protect, manage, and restore the world's forests. And you have chosen to be here to help with that. By now, you should be more familiar with international climate policy. You should be fully aware that forests are recognized as one of the most cost-effective solutions to curb climate change. You read in Article 5 of the Paris Agreement that forests are key in limiting greenhouse gas emissions and ultimately in achieving the long-term goal of ensuring that the rise in global temperatures remain well below 2 degrees centigrade. You're now also aware of the implications of the Paris Agreement for the forest sector, in particular the requirement that countries report to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. And you understand the enhanced transparency framework under this agreement. Over the past 2 weeks, you've also heard from other countries how to develop strategies and sustainable national forest monitoring systems that can produce robust, reliable, open, and accessible data and information, an output that's compliant with the transparency framework requirements. Today, I encourage you to take on a new challenge. Become an ambassador in your country. Speak up and help increase the quality and accessibility of forest information and data. I'm sure that you can make a difference and that we will eventually see the collective impact of the work on each and every one of you. But you need to act now. Whereas the COVID-19 crisis threatens to undermine global climate action, recovery from the pandemic represents a historic opportunity to increase sustainability and environmental protection in all countries. As for us, FAO will continue to work with countries to help people adapt to, mitigate, and build resilience to climate change in the food and agriculture sectors. Within the forestry division, we will continue to support countries' efforts to collect, compile, analyze, report, disseminate, and ultimately use forest data to protect and sustainably use the world's forests. I hope this course has inspired you as much as your dedication has inspired me. Stay safe, stay tuned, and step up for climate action. The time for action is now. Thank you.